find the X intercept, the Y intercept, the vertex, and we want to find whether this graph opens upward or downward, and find the axis or line of symmetry. What's the shape of this graph?
Parabola.
Parabola. So, anybody remember the position of the vertex, the formula for that? How do you find the x position of the vertex? V of x, what is that equal to?
Minus b over 2a.
2a, very good. Minus b over 2a. So in this case, let's find out what's a, what's b, what's c. What is a in this case?
1.
Yes. A is the coefficient of x squared. What is b? Somebody type -4. That's correct. What is c?
-4.
How about -5? Remember, y is equal to a x squared plus bx plus c. That's how you find a, b, and c. Okay, so can somebody tell me what is the v of x then? It would be minus b. So what goes at the top of the fraction? It would be minus, somebody type minus for us, correct? And a is 1. So it looks like the x position of the vertex is equal to 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. That's the x position of the vertex, right? So if x position of the vertex is 2, can somebody tell me what would be the y position of the vertex then? If x equal to 2, what is y? Anybody? You substitute, right? You substitute for each x 2. You have y is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5. You just let x equal to 2. So you get y is equal to 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 5. So it would be 4 minus 8 minus 5. Right? So what is the y position of the vertex, anyone?
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Very good. Minus 9. Is this going to be the lowest point or highest point of the parabola? Is this parabola opens upward or downward?
Up.
Looks like up, because since a is positive, we expect this parabola to open upward. Very good. All right, let's find the y-intercept. That's an easy one. If x equal to 0, what is y?
-5.
-5, right? X equals 0, you have -5. Right? -5. So we got ourselves all these points. We have a vertex. You know where our parabola opens on the y-axis. How about the x-intercept? How do you figure out the x-intercept? You let y be equal to 0, right? To find the x-intercept, you let y be equal to 0 and solve for x. So in this case, I have x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Is this factorable? Can I factor this? Anyone?
Yes.
So what is it?
X plus 1, x minus 5.
Very good. So x equal to -1 or x equal to 5. So in this case, if y is equal to 0, x would be equal to -1. If y is equal to 0, x equal to 5. So we can locate all these points here. And I already graphed this before here. So it looks like we can locate the x-intercept here. We can locate the vertex. We can locate the y-intercept. And we know our parabola opens upward, so it looks like that. And the line of symmetry would be the line that go right into the vertex. So can somebody tell me the equation for this line? What's the equation of this line? Axis of symmetry would be
X equals 2.
x equal to 2. So that's what they're talking about for the symmetry. Okay, x equal to 2. So we have all the questions that they're asking. So don't forget, x position of the vertex would be minus b over 2a. That's how you can solve for that. And then from there, you can find the y-intercept, we can find x-intercept, and all that. All right, managed to grab part of the graph, but I really get the picture. Another thing we can look at here is the range and domain for this. Can somebody tell me what is the range for this parabola? Range. What is the range?
Negative
We talked
9.
about this in another session. What's that? All the numbers from what somebody typed the 9 to infinity. Very good. That's the range. How about the domain? Can somebody tell me what would be the domain? Domain would be value of x. So it would be all the number from negative infinity to positive infinity, or all real numbers. That would be your domain. Somebody actually typed that answer too. Very good.